all of the editing that I did all week, it is gone. It is no longer there. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Jen and this is Jen Restyle and Fashion. And today is Friday, June 21st. And for those of you who are new here, that might not seem odd to you, but for those of you who've been around a while, getting a video on the day it's recorded is rare, unless it's the members only section. So I woke up this morning to my surprise. All of the videos that I've been editing all week had disappeared. Now, the good news is that the files are still on my SD card, but all of the editing that I did all week, it is gone. It is no longer there. I freaked out, quite frankly, because I spent the whole week editing and I didn't do any sewing because I just wanted to kind of recoup and rest. Even though editing's not resting, but I wanted to rest. From the last 6 months, I have been so tired. I've been doing so much sewing and I've recorded a lot of those upcycles for you guys. But the videos that I was gonna post today were all thrift hauls and try-ons. How about that? Try-on videos. So yeah, they're not here today. So instead, I wanted to make sure you all had a video today. I will spend the rest of the day editing so that you can get videos on Saturday and Sunday. It may not be all the videos that I thought I was going to, and the editing may not be all that great, but I am gonna work feverishly to get those videos up and posted tomorrow. I always want you guys to have a Saturday video no matter what. Sunday is you know, but I thought I was getting back to my regular schedule. I also have some current stuff. I have been thrifting. I've been buying pre-loved from online resellers. I have been acquiring some pieces, and I just can't wait to show those things to you guys. I think you're gonna really like them. But I wanted to make sure that I at least came over here today and talk to you about that. And let you know what was going on, because normally my videos go up on Thursday and they were taking so long to upload and I couldn't figure out what's going on. So I ended up shutting the computer down, and that might have been what did it, but I am totally crushed. Anyway, so for today, this is Friday. It's a Friday in Chicago, and I will tell you, this last week it has been hot like Hades. Oh my goodness, unbelievable. And it was like in the 90s, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then Thursday, it was like 60 something degrees. I had on the cutest little dress. I will pop it up over here. I think you guys saw this in a previous video when I did my Marshalls haul. I got so many compliments on this dress, but why was I cold all day? All day, I was just freezing. So anyway, I hadn't looked at the weather. I just assumed we had one hot day. I didn't think it was gonna go from 90 to 60, but I do live in Chicago, so I should know better. All right, so as I'm working through my little small catastrophe, I did want to share with you a few folks that I follow on YouTube and Instagram that have really inspired me. And they're in no real particular order, but I just feel like, you know, I watched Tashira from Politics and Fashion, and she talked about other influencers who had influenced her. And then those influencers then did a video, and I was like, I should totally do that, because there have been so many people out there like her who have inspired me, who have influenced me. Now, because I have been for so long on this journey to not buying new clothes, or just not buying new period, a lot of items that I see some of the influencers talk about, I've just tried to make. I just figured, you know what, let me just try to create it and show you guys how you can create a similar look. So I would say the first person who inspires me to create pieces like they wear is Monroe Steele. She is, you know, I wish this girl was my relative. I wish she was my little sister. I feel so connected to her. I know that she has been around for a really long time. She's probably the first person that I ever started watching on YouTube, and I've watched her religiously for the last 4 years. Like, I don't think I have missed one single video, and I have watched all her previous videos. You guys know that I did some upcycles to create some pieces that she wore, and I recently did an upcycle for the fashion show from a pair of jeans that she wore, so you guys will see those later. Anyway, I think Monroe is amazing. I feel like she has embodied the single woman's lifestyle. She lives in New York and Miami. She's gorgeous. She keeps her body fit, and she wears these amazing clothes, and I would love to get in her closet, especially since she and I are the exact same size. And yeah, and I have shopped her closet in the past, and she's amazing. The other person that has inspired me is Angelina from Blueprint DIY. And actually, I found her through Orly, who hasn't posted a lot lately, but her name is Orly Shani. And she, again, she hasn't been posting a lot lately, but I found Angelina through Orly. So Orly and Angelina did something together, and I was like, oh, there's somebody else out there that's doing, you know, DIYs and upcycles and all of that. So I started following Angelina. And Angelina actually interviewed me on her channel, on her members only channel, which I thought was so cool. I wish that you guys could get a chance to see it. I have it saved. I may put it in my members only section just so that you guys can see it over there. But I have shown you guys clips in a previous video. But she is someone who has inspired me to continue to do upcycling, and I love the fact that she uses like a lot of t-shirts and things like that. She recently opened up a sewing studio in Houston, so shout out to her for doing that. Another person, as I mentioned, is Tashira from Politics and Fashion, and I just love her. One, she lives in a city that I love. I lived in Washington, D.C. for 8 years, and I love it there. DC, you still have my heart. But I love her comedy, her humor, her, you know, just her insight and her reactions to the pieces that she acquires. She's just great. Love her, love her. Definitely inspired by her to continue on this entrepreneurial journey. She talks a lot about that. She actually offers classes around entrepreneurism, and it's very inspiring. So definitely check her out. Another person who I love, me and Tammy love her, is Carolyn Gray. And Carolyn inspired me to start my members only. She also inspired an upcycle that I just started working on. Y'all, she had on this outfit last week. Woo! She better not never let me find her. Actually, she's a little bit smaller than me, so I probably can't wear her clothes. But yeah, I love Carolyn's humor. I love that she's so real on camera. She just, you know, and that helps me because I love doing videos where I just kind of sit down and talk to the camera and take you guys through the day-to-day. And so that has inspired me to do more of that and engage with you guys. I love the fact that she does a live, and I love tuning into her lives, and she's just very interactive and, you know, just very jovial. Can't wait to meet her one day. The other person is Jeronica Mycia, otherwise known as G. And you know, I love the fact that she is getting her workouts in religiously. She is just so confident and just down to earth, and she just embraces, you know, whatever it is that's going on. And she picked up and she's moving to Houston, like just up and out. And I admire that about anybody who can just pick up and go. I did that once. I was petrified, but I did it. And I don't think I want to do it again, but if given the right opportunity, I just might. And the last person that I'll mention, I know I'm forgetting some others, but let me tell you about this girl. She and Monroe were the first two people that I started following on YouTube. And I started following her, Monroe, and Angelina because, well, one, because Angelina was doing upcycling, and I had started my channel to do sewing because I was trying to teach sewing classes through YouTube because of the pandemic. So my classes were set to start live April 2020. Yeah, April 2020, my classes were set to start live. And March, the world shut down. So I just started my channel just to have the classes for people. And then the next thing you know, we were in lockdown. And so I wasn't doing it for other people to watch. I was really just doing it for my class. And then my mother got sick and she passed away. So I didn't do anything on the channel until after she passed. But what popped up was, it's just Jordan. She is just the quintessential 20-something. I love her style. I love her attitude. I love how she transitioned from thrifting to style to lifestyle to the books that she's reading. This girl, you need to check her out. She's young, but she inspires people like me who are of a certain age to just live your life and to live it freely and openly. And I love her. She used to live in Chicago for a while. I never got a chance to see her, but I wish I could meet her. And I wish her mother would start a channel because her mother is cool as heck. Her mother reminds me of me, and I think her mother and I are probably about the same age. Her mother might be a couple years younger than me, but her mother's style is amazing. So those are the people who really inspire me, who influence me. Monroe influences me the most to buy certain things. But between them and Janae Naylor, how can I forget about her? I just shopped her collection this morning. Janae is a complete inspiration. I just love her full circle moment from working at Target to then dropping her line at Target. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. It does not get any better than that. All right, you guys, so that's the video for today. I hope you guys will check out some of these content creators and be on the lookout for a video tomorrow. It may be late, but it's coming. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you later. Bye. I neglected to mention 3 others that are constantly in my feed that I'm checking out, and one of them is Brown Girl Chi. I just love the way she effortlessly puts things together. I love that she's in New York, as are a few of the others, and she's just overall great disposition, and I love how she's just come on the scene and just taken and run with her fashion ideas. The next person is Chic City Girl. Try saying that fast 5 times. And she is in Chicago. Brenda has come to some of my shows, and I just really admire her consistency and the fact that she just is who she is. She wears the clothes that she loves. She mixes, she matches, and she is super consistent. Love her. And then last but not least is Selena Sincerely. And I'm going to tell you, she is my rock star idol for women over 40. Like, I cannot tell you just how beautiful I think she is and elegant. She has that elegant, timeless, classic beauty and style that is everlasting. And I am so looking forward to meeting her. And I actually am meeting her in July. And I'm so excited about it. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. Okay, those are my favorite, some of my favorite influencers who have really inspired me over the last couple of years. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I hope you guys will follow each and every one of them. All right. Bye-bye.